Alright, we're back on this again. Today, we're going to be removing this bash bar, building another one, and then adding a jack point, because he doesn't like having to get all the way under there to lift it up in the front. So, we'll get on this. Okay, got the bash bar off. First thing I'm noticing is that this radiator is not sitting level. I don't know if it's this actual core support or if it's because it doesn't have this in there underneath this side, but I told you I had one in. I found it finally. We'll put it in, see if that helps, and I'm going to start by getting this squared up. Okay, got our bar cut for across, got our plates made. I need to go ahead and dress these to get the scale off so I can weld this to it. So you're not going to be able to see this bar behind that, which is kind of what I want. So I'll show you getting that tacked on and double checking that everything fits. Okay, I'm a big dummy, so I have to use bend tech to design my bars to bend, because I'm not very good at it, to be honest. So I went ahead and got my bar set up in bend tech. I'm gonna do one that comes around here and then has a pad there. I don't really like the ones that have a bar straight down. I'll do a bar straight down if I feel like it needs it, but I'm not thinking it's going to. So I will get to cutting and bending this out. Really f***ed up. Slipped out of the die and crushed the tube. So I'll have to redo this and actually change my design a little bit because I can't fit it in my bender. I was really struggling with this thing today. Made me look like a big old dummy. So hopefully I get better. And successfully got to make this. Okay. Clip was supposed to be a what do you call it, time lapse, but anyway, I got it pretty close now. Bends went well, lands where it's supposed to land on that bar, so now I'm going to notch it, which is that guy there. There we go. Worked out pretty good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and prep the tube and get it tacked on. I'm liking the way this is going. So now it's time to find center on this bar and put a little pad. More jack. Let's do it. All right, got my plate tacked in place. I'm gonna weld it inside here and then probably around a little bit. It's probably gonna bend a bit, but we'll straighten her out then. All right. I forgot. I forgot to take a video of this before I put the bumper on. Like I've been saying all day, I'm a big dumb idiot. Look who it is. This is the person that edits all the videos.
Sorry.
That's okay. She's judging me right now. But anyway, let's see if we can get any other views of that. Nope, can't see it there. You kind of see it there. Loops all the way around. The bumper actually can tie into this now. This is, I don't know if you see that, it's big and floppy, but you can put a fastener there and hold that on the jack spot. So super cool. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope this is the last time I have to work on this car. I'm just kidding. I like working on it. All right, catch you next time.